Hey guys, received a lot of questions from new folks and also folks that have been using our mobile app for a while, so thought make a tutorial on it and get everybody on the same page. So the main navigation for the Deepvue mobile app is at the bottom over here where we have home, watch list, screener, accounts, and then the new AI DPU terminal that has been integrated into the mobile app. So let's start with home. So home is a place where you can get an overview of the market, how things are looking in the market, and have a very quick way for you to glance what's happening from a market perspective. So at the top we have the popular indexes. After hours we show this little moon icon and then show the movement after hours as well. You could pan back and forth here to see the SPY, Qs, and the Russell, which is also hidden as well. The second section we have is market breadth. So market breadth is also, you can pan back and forth here to see more information. So on the first card we have new highs versus new lows, very popular way to gauge market strength or weakness, advanced decline for the day, and then stocks in stage 1, 2, and 3, which are color coded and also with percentages at the bottom. So right now 40% of the market is in a stage 2 and 43% of the market is in a stage 4. Next we have the theme tracker. This is where you can track popular themes. Basically you can go from today, 1 week, 1 month, year to date, different views. Today is based on a performance metric, so what is happening today from the open, and that's really powerful. You could see where the market is getting a lot of momentum and where we see a lot of strength. Next is your positions, which we'll show next. So in your positions watch list, if you have that configured, you could see your positions and how those are doing. And then the very last one, we have top movers. So that's the home screen. It gives you a really powerful way to see what's happening in the markets from a theme perspective, from a breadth perspective, from a pure price perspective. Also, your positions are available here if you use the positions watch list, and then the top movers, what's happening there as well. At the very top is we have this search where you can search any symbol you like, and you can go ahead and use that. And then we also have the alert. So if you click alerts, you will go into the alerts module, which will load up the alerts list where you can create an alert, right? If you like. And also you can go to settings and add different columns to your alert table as well. You could check your notifications as well. So if I go ahead and clear, I have no active alert notifications that are available, and that's the alert module. And if you want to go back to home, you click that, and that's it. Next is watch list. So watch list, all your watch lists are accessible. You can click the watch list module. This will bring up your watch list. You could go to any watch list that you have, and it will be available here. You can add things to your watch list. You could delete them from your watch list. You could search symbols right away from the watch list as well, or you can go to settings to see which columns you want to see over here. So if I pan to the right, you'll see all the columns that we have available here. So it's typical, we have saved watch lists and we have presets. They're both available on the mobile app and on the go. And within watch lists, let's just cover the table itself. So the table itself, we have symbols, we have price dollar change, price percent change, and then underneath that we also have the pre and post market depending on where we are, right, in terms of time. Now in the table itself, it's quite powerful. So if I were to click and hold, I will see the colored list. I can add it to another list. I could copy that symbol. I can create an alert on that symbol as well, right? So if you press and hold, you'll see this quick access menu show up. If you pan to the right, all the columns that you've added will also show up, so you have full data with respect to each symbol. And to manipulate your columns, you click this gear icon, and then you can pick all the data points that are available on web are also available on mobile. The way to see a chart is you just click a ticker. We have this glanceable chart view. The glanceable chart view has company overview, earnings. So we have these earnings and sales tables that are built in. And then we have the data. So the data for each company, the data panel is also available, giving you all the data that you need for a particular company. Now let's say I don't want the glanceable view, right? So if I click this and I don't want the glanceable view, I click on the glanceable chart. and you'll see the full charting module. So from here, you can, pan your watch list from the bottom at this quick scroll menu. You could change the time frame, and these are your full charts. These connect to your watch list, the active watch list that you're on, and you can pan back and forth as well. If I click this full screen maximize button, now if I go through, I can swipe chart and see different charts that with respect to the watch list that I'm connected to as well. And if I click this again, I'm back into my charts, the normal view. So you can maximize and use the swipe feature, which I really like doing, or you can max out of it and you could use this scrollable switcher as well. It depends on personal preference. I like the full screen more than this quick switch. Next is the screener. So every screen that you've created, both saved and presets, are available in the screener module on the go as well. So you can see, let's say if I have a tight range scan, which stocks are showing on that particular screen, right? Those are available to me. And then if I go to accounts, I have the my account settings, which includes theme, both dark mode and light mode, so I can switch to dark mode if I like. And we have a whole separate UI, right, for dark mode, and this is how things look on that. The last option that I want to cover is the DPU Assistant, which is also now available. So you can ask it any question that you like. So let's say, how much of PLTR's revenue is from the government. So it's fully accessible here as well. So I could go ahead and send that. And the DPU Terminal AI Assistant is also available on the mobile app. So it says about 55% of their revenue for PLTR is coming from the government. I can even ask it for a table, right? Give me a table, etc. But yeah, there's a wealth of knowledge here within that, just in your pocket, right? When it comes to market finance, anything related to the stock market and finance. So that's a quick overview of the Deepvue mobile app. You have a full watch list module where you can maintain and look at your different watch lists. You have a full screening module, which you can access your saved screens and presets. You have your AI assistant, and then you have the home, which gives you a full market overview. And then within home on the top right, you have the alerts as well. So all of this is available and on the go. And obviously we're going to make things a lot better. This is not the end product. We continuously iterate and make it better. So I hope that was helpful. A quick tutorial on everything that we have in the mobile app and how you could use it today.